That's not good. A fog has descended. There used to be a town down that way. Oh, there we go, focus. As you can see, it's still very foggy. Pretty much our plans for today got canceled. It's okay. So instead of doing something outside, I'm gonna do something inside. I wanted a cheesecake and I forgot to get a cheesecake yesterday at the store. So
in 1,000 feet, turn right onto Wildcat Run Road.
I'm gonna go get some stuff to make a cheesecake. I was gonna buy a store-bought cheesecake, but then I felt bad about not supporting local businesses. But then the one I wanted to go to needs like a week's notice to make it. And it was like, well, I'm not gonna be here in a week, so anyway, so I'm gonna go to the store, and you can come with. We'll see if we see anything exciting going down the mountain into town. I am gonna use the GPS because the lady said the GPS doesn't work, and I don't know if I believe her or not. So we'll be right back. Okay, so it looks like the GPS actually works 100% all the way to the cabin. So they wrote those instructions, you know, probably years ago, and never updated them. I'll tell you, some people are stuck in their ways. They're like, nope, doesn't work. Tried it before, it didn't work, so it doesn't work, never will work. The fog did come down a little bit. That's what I figured. You couldn't see anything at periods of time up in the cabin. Like barely, I don't know, 50 feet in front of you. But down here it's much better. I mean, you can see there's mountains. There's supposed to be mountains up there. And there, you can't see them. Alright, well, I'm going to get back on this main road and head to town on a beautiful Thursday.
Continue on US 19 North for 5 miles.
We'll check back with you here in a few. We got to Wally World. People not driving very good today, but that's okay. We made it. Well, got the groceries. Didn't get to see inside. Everybody's like a deer in the headlights. Unlock. Okay, didn't get to film inside, but it was chaos and difficult to find everything. But I got, and I did some impulse buying. I've never had these. I wanted to try them. The rice cakes. And I got the name brand. These are like $4. Shouldn't have bought that. And then I bought a thing of $1 for some like biscuits. I don't know why, but the graham crackers, all the stuff, vanilla extract. I think I've ever bought this in my life. This is like almost $5 for this little tiny thing. Everything else is cheap though. Butter. I had to get powdered sugar. So didn't have any. What else? There's the biscuits. I didn't know graham crackers were so cheap. Oh, I got some more energy drink stuff. cream cheese, butter. Yeah, not a bad score. I did drop a thing of eggs on the ground. Anyway, I'm rambling. It started raining more. It's definitely getting darker, even though it's afternoon still. All right, here we go. Rice cake. Oh man, they're sealed. All right, unsealed. Let's look at this. Smells good. That is actually really good. Kind of tastes like Jack in the Box. No, what's it called? You know, you get a little plastic toy, and the bottom Cracker Jacks. That's what it tastes like. Very good. Highly recommend. All right. I'm gonna work on getting back. What a weird couple days of weather. That's all right. All right. Got the groceries, got the rain, got the car, got my brains, wallet. All right. And if I can barely see this car, what else can I not see? So I'm gonna concentrate. Oh, I can kind of see the mountains in the background through the rain. And okay, it's either no wiper or the wiper's like a million miles an hour. It's like I want something in the middle. And don't go down that road or that one. I don't understand why Google doesn't allow you to see a notification pane while you're recording. Especially if it's going to do the sound over and everything. Yeah, this is it. I think. Is this it? Look at that. That's a cool house. There's a big boy. Look at that one. That's cool. Alright, so this is where the fog really starts.
In 1,000 feet, your destination will be on the left.
Alright. Alright, well, right here, I couldn't record audio. I don't know why, but here's some pictures of me doing some stuff with the food items. And here I am, I'm mixing the bowl with my hand. So that's pretty cool. I thought you might like it. Alright, and here we go. Here's somebody mixing the eggs and all the other stuff together to put into the pie filling. And here's a picture worth 1,000 words, I don't know. Look, I'm mixing some more crust. This was something that proved to be more difficult than I originally thought. And here's a picture of the crust as I was patting it in. And here I am patting it in. And a picture of it patted in. And then another picture of it patted in. And then in a minute here, boom, it's cooked.
acetaminophen too.
Yeah, all right. Well, it's Thursday, Louis. Louis, did you know it's Thursday? Did you know that you have paws? Probably can't show that. It's the NFL draft. There's a little bit. And you can probably hear it too, so let me turn that off. And then that could... I shouldn't talk.